You know, I trust Tradesy, and I'm not going to look up the serial number and go, is that real? I trust Tradesy as a website. They're not asking me to endorse them in any way. It's just, I've done several bags with them, as you know, and they've all ended up being wonderful bags. I have no reason to doubt them. Now, I will tell you as I switch over, let me see how long I've got to go. I don't know if I have time to do this with you. I'll run over into 2 anyway. So, what I'm going to do is take this that I got from Ulta, and we're going to use 2 of these little pouches. Now, this is a little more time consuming. Oops. Why do they put that there? I guess they put a little plastic thing on the back of the zipper, and it just hit me. Why? They want to make sure people don't try to shoplift and separate the set. So they put a little plastic there so you can't zip back. So I just snip that. It's because they want to keep these 3 together because they're matching, or they don't want somebody to try to steal one of these out of here. Okay, these aren't like top quality anything. I actually have a lot of Louis Vuitton pieces, so I may or may not even use those down the road. But just for today, I am going to go ahead and let me just put that there. I am going to go ahead and dump some of these toiletries that I think I will use today. Now, here's the other thing. This is a very large wallet. This is, oh, I forgot the name. Is it Bon Voyage? Special artwork that was done just for a limited period of time. And so to try to find those now, you have to really work at it. But anyway, so let me take my paperworks out that I need to work on. I usually have some kind of paperwork in my purse. Alright, so then I just grab my little clover sack, as y'all have seen me do many a time. Now, getting it out of the top hole of a Speedy. This top hole of the Speedy curls around like the bowling bag style. And so it's smaller at the top than it is on the sides. And that is a drawback I am finding, because it's hard to get in and out of the bag. And I don't mean right now with getting the clover sack out. Oh, that's why, because I had this actually attached to the bag. That's where I keep my car keys. Okay, so here's the clover sack. So what I'm going to do, is there anything left in the Speedy? It's a little key I keep in the bottom. There's that. This extra strap if I want to put it on. And an extra pair of black socks. Why do I do that? Because it's cold. And what if I get cold? Now there is no, actually there is. There's a zipper in here. What did I put in here? I don't know. I don't have anything in there, y'all. That's probably where I ought to keep the little Louis Vuitton lock and key set. Okay, and then attached to the side of this, I had my little car key. So I'm going to take that out, because we are definitely going to need that. It's always the weirdest thing to undo a Louis Vuitton lock, because it's backwards, in my mind, of how you would open a lock. That little R, I keep wanting to open it on that side, and you open it on that side. So we will just, and I always keep a little light, because you can't see down in these. So I always have to have a little light in there. Okay. Oh, by the way, for one of you that suggested to look under here to see the actual stamp, I did find it. So thanks for that. I think I found it in the video, though. But I do love this bag. I will definitely be using it. So don't think, gosh, is she going to be throwing that one away now? No. They're just two different things. This one does not hold near as much, which is probably good for me. But, so for now, I'm going to put this, just as something fun to do. This is just me. I'm going to hook this on the outside instead of the inside. It is my car key. And sometimes I need it. So that will just be kind of a cute little dangle. I may say I don't like that and put it in. I don't know. I'm already thinking I probably won't do that. But I'll just leave it there for now. So I have these pieces from Louis Vuitton. What is in here? It's kind of a catch-all, but it's my medical bag. Y'all know I always have a little medical bag, and it has a breather in it. Some little packages of things like Benadryl and Tylenol. It has my little... I'll do what's in my bag sometime, but this is my little Tweezerman tweezers, some matches. You never know when somebody might need matches. A list of the medications that I'm on that I got from my doctor. I just thought, well, you know what, keep that in there. This is a little eye cream in case I look really dried out. I have that in there. So it's just those kind of things. The little floss picks, all that kind of little stuffs. And, oh, that's cute. I like that. My husband got me a little keychain with my name engraved on it. And I may put that on the outside of that. We'll see. We'll see. So that definitely goes over. And we'll probably put that actually up front. Okay, so what are the things I absolutely need? Because this is an absolutely bag. I will absolutely need, and I may or may not even need these. This is just an option. They're very pretty options. But I may or may not need these. I may just put these things in there. I'll need a pen. You know what? I don't want that pen to ever leak. So I think I will put this down in there just as a precautionary thing. So I'm going to have a pen. Oops. I will have my Chanel lipstick because we know I need that all the time. I will need a face powder and blush. You always want to keep those handy. Just in case you need to touch up. A hand cream. My vitamins and 2 medications. Oh, look, the scripture popped up. Colossians 2, 6 through 7. So walk in him, having been firmly rooted, being built up in him, and established in your faith. Then walk in him. So with all the training and all that you've been, we're going to keep that in there. What am I saying? We're going to keep that right in there. I do also always keep one of these. This is my little hairbrush and mirror. And it has hair ties because you just never know. You just never know. So we'll put that down in the bottom. And I do like to have my Chanel face mist because you never know. You know what? I'm thinking I don't need this bag. I'm just going to put the loose pieces and take my chances. Yep, I'm putting all this directly in, including the scripture in the front. I'm not actually going to use that this time. It is a dark interior, so, I mean, if the end of the world happened and I did have a pen that leaked a little, it wouldn't be the end of the world. So, yeah. This will have to be straight up and down, so I will put it on the end. There. Like that. I've got an eyelash curler, some hand sanitizer, which I usually do keep some hand sanitizer, so it's almost out though. This is the pocket back from Bath & Body Works in Dazzling Diamonds, and I love it. So we'll put that down in there. We've got a pen. We've got, okay, I always also do keep a liner and a double-ended liner. So we'll keep that, which should be that end up. And one mascara. So what little mascara shall we use? This one? Yeah, I like that one. We'll put that in there. Already got lipstick. Don't need brushes. Eyebrow, yes, because what if one of my eyebrows comes off? That's embarrassing. Normally I would keep a hairspray, but I think this little hairspray is just too big, but I love it. It's the Take 32, and I just think it's just too big. I'll have to do a smaller little travel hairspray. And then what else do we have? Tissue. Gotta have your tissues. And what else? Gum. Gotta have your gum. What else? Little eyeglass wipes. I think I actually have some of those in my little Medi case, but I'll put that one in there. And then some more paper stuff. Let me just see if any of that really has to be dealt with today. No. And there is a little eye cream again. I always have little eye creams. Actually, I want more than one of these. I will say that. I'm going to need more than one of those. You never know when you need to clean off your glasses or somebody else does. So I'll carry 2 of those. Alright, I guess that's it. Is that it? I guess so. I feel like I'm forgetting something. My ID will go in there and my wallet. Now, here's the thing about the wallet. I have a lot of excess stuff in my wallet and stuff. Oh, the little, these have to be in here. My little, what am I calling these? Peels. Peels. I don't need an eye makeup in there. That is my little Chanel quad and I don't need that. But I am going to need my card case. So, should I use my Chanel one or this one? Okay, so what I can do, I've been carrying my keys in this, but I'm changing my mind right now. I am going to make this my card case, which is, you can use this, the clay, as a card case or a key case. So I'm just going to drop my keys in the back. If I need them, they're back there. I don't use them because they're the, you know, the ones that sense where they are. But I am going to need always at least 3 cards. My debit card, my driver's license, and my health card, because you never know if you're in an accident or have a health problem. These are just receipts. I don't need them. I always keep 1 check and 1 deposit slip, even though, I mean, who uses checks and deposit slips anymore, but you never know. Okay. Cash. I think what I'm going to keep is a 20. Yep, the rest will stay back in here. And I don't need that credit card with me. I don't really need any of that with me. Yeah, I don't need any of that with me. So, even though this is a nice wallet, it's a heavy wallet. And for this purse, I'm not going to keep it. So what I'm going to do is fold a 20 and put it in back of my, actually I'm putting it in between my license and my health card and the debit card on top, because that is the one that I'll be using all the time. There we go. And these little guys, the check and the deposit slip, I will fold that over as well and put that in the very back. Yep, I'll put that in the back. So now I have my little wallet. Look at